have before you an unfinished love potion. You shall help me complete it. First, find some crab legs. Go visit Loretta. She should have some. Loretta's a crab monger and horribly in love with me. Unrequited. Very sad. Do not ask her about it. Too painful for her to speak of.
You see the crab legs before you. They...
I steal them, obviously.
Or we could just, buy them.
Farts. Ugh, fine. You never let me steal anything.
So, you want to get you some crab legs, do you?
Hey, friend, needs them for a potion.
Oh, okay. Not for Cardassin, is it? Because I really just can't stand her.
No.
Go right ahead, then. They're all yours.
Loretta, I require crab legs right now. Sell me yours.
They've already been sold, Karen.
What? This is an outrage. I am entitled to what I want at all times. You took the crab legs that were rightfully mine. I'll kill you!
Karen, calm down.
How dare you tell me to calm down? I will do no such thing.
Oh, no. You killed my least favorite customer. I'm so sad. Better go mourn.
Hey, did Loretta mention me at all, or... Know what? Don't answer that. Go find some crying apples for the potion. Should be close.
What exactly is a crying apple, Tina?
Don't play coy, Fredadette. You know what they are. They're apples that taste like hate. And when you cut them, they fall off in rings, and they make you think about the babes you wronged, and then you cry. Oh, you cry and cry and cry.
You mean onions?
I don't know what that word you said means.
It sounds like...
Silence, Frednut Gallery! I hear you trying to teach me something.
Right?
There's a trick to plucking crying apples. You gotta disturb the surface soil. Then they'll pop out of the ground. To get the crying apples out of the ground, do not use your head. Use your bottom. Oopsie. Looks like the Cyclops aren't happy about you stealing their harvest.
That's where you rock bottom. That's what go on tonight. I rescued him, but really, I feel he rescued me.
The love potion also requires
Sorry, googly googly. What are you talking about?
They're brown, starchy, mash them, put butter on them, shove them in your mouth. Tastes delicious.
You mean potato?
Is how you want to die? You want to die throwing some made-up words at me?
Okay. Googly googly. Got it.
Now the potion, like love itself, must do. Wyverns, just as we must defend our hearts from false love, you must defend this potion from the dragonlings.
Yeah, I'm doing metaphors now. Mama's growing as a storyteller.
The potion won't be ready until it reaches a boy. Keep fighting them off. It'll take a little longer to reach a boy. Don't let up now.
Could a cat have done that? I think not.
Ooh, the potion is heating up, just like the sexual tension between you guys.
Whoa, that's my boy. Appreciate the assist, little one.
The potion is ready. Come here, drink of it. You have fallen for my trap. You are now in love with me.
No, I'm not.
It takes all kinds, I suppose.
It wasn't really a love potion, though, right? Just a nice gumbo?
Oh, you poor, poor, simple, stupid, dumb, idiot, baby brain, dumb head Valentine. The best way to someone's heart is through their tum-tums. That's why I keep shoving crumpets in Moxie's mailbox. Oh, yeah. Things are getting pretty serious between Moxie and me, I have to say.